Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change and replace the vacuum bag for the MOVA Mobius 60. If you're interested in the Mobius 60, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, up at the top right-hand corner, if you're looking straight onto the unit, there is a door release. That's going to open up the door right here. And inside, this is where the vacuum bag is going to be stored. It's going to be stored right here under this cover. There's two arrows on the cover. Just grab under there. There's a spot for your hand to just gently pull it out. It's just a couple of tabs keeping everything in place. That's going to reveal the vacuum bag. You'll want to pull it up and out of the way. You'll discard the full and old one. You'll take your brand new vacuum bag right here. You just line it up, slot it right in, press it in. There's a little black tab up there too, so make sure that you got it seated properly. And then you'll take the cover. Again, these four tabs start at the top, and then just gently press it in to the bottom right there, and that's it. Simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on the MOVA Mobius 60.